All right, ladies and gentlemen, Julian just went ahead and made a batch of some hand-cut potato fries, and I've heard lots of great things about them, and a couple friends have been telling me to review them, so I decided to do that. I'm over at Julian's right now. These are fresh out of the oven with a splash of ketchup, and what I like off the bat is the color and, length of cooking time. You can tell just by, this is how I like mine. You can just tell that they're, not overcooked, but still going to be a little bit crispy, so I have some soft ones. I like that. They're salted already, as you can see. I mean, you got to have some salt. And then, I'm going to try some plain first, and then some with some ketchup, and see what's going on here. All right, so I decided to let Julian record me, and I just didn't want to, one-hand the thing, but first we're going to try one with no ketchup. And this one's looking good. They're hot. They're fresh out of the oven, like I said, so let's go. Wow. Wow. Upon, first hitting the palate, the salt is perfect. It's not overbearing, but also these fresh, never frozen potatoes are just, they have immense flavor. They were freshly cut. He just got a brand new cutter, and this is why we're doing this. But, oh my gosh. So they soaked for a little bit before we made them, probably about an hour. And you can tell that really makes a difference. Just that, it can still fold, some of them can still fold and have tons of flavor in them. The way that they're cooked is just really nice on the inside too. I am liking this. Wow. That is dank.
We are so sorry.
It's sad that you can't go to a restaurant and get fries like these. It's kind of terrible because these were pretty simple. And I feel like when you go to a restaurant, they're all the same frozen fry. I think some people need to put some more time into what they're doing because these are phenomenal. And now I'm just not even going to get fries. I'm just going to take Julian's recipe and bring my food home and start doing this because this is amazing.
It is very dramatic.
Incredible. I think
Spine Specialist of Michigan is a state-of-the-art
for the simplicity and cost, no seasonings used, this has got to be a solid 8.5 out of, or 9. I'd say 9 out of 10 fry. Just, I mean, you could always change things up with seasonings or whatever, or get some barbecue sauce. I'm sure with barbecue sauces are amazing. But I mean, this is just such a quality fry. Good job, Julian. I really appreciate it.